Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley. In today's video, I'm doing my BoxyCharm unboxing. Wow, I said it like Kathy Lights, and I promise you, I'm not trying to say it like her, but Kathy Lights. I'm doing my BoxyCharm unboxing for the month of January. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. I post twice a week. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And let's just dive right into it. There goes the card. So it is Breaking the Ice is the theme. And it says it has 5 full-size products in the box. So let's see what we have. So the first thing I see is this Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage. Is that how you say that? Gommage. Looks like this. So this retails for $28. It's an exfoliating cream with a rich texture and soothing fragrances. It gives you a luxury Italian spa experience. It has sweet almond oil, apricot seed powder, a black winter truffle extra. It's supposed to reduce the signs of aging, gently buff away and erase dull, lackluster skin, revealing a more luminous and healthy complexion. Oh, apply this over face and neck. Gently massage with circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes, avoiding eye area. Remove with a damp face towel and pat dry. How much do you put on? I'm putting on like that much. Ooh, it smells good. Did I put on too much? Ooh, my hair. Maybe. I'm going to get a damp cloth and we can wipe this off. Definitely made my face more red, for sure. But I mean, it's an exfoliator, so I feel like it's supposed to make your face red. I'll keep using that and let you know how I feel. Okay, next product is also a skincare product. It is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. So you can use it as a sleeping mask or a wash-off mask. Obviously I'm going to use it as a wash-off mask for this video. Let me read off the card. Hold on. Oh, I got that other one in my mouth. Okay. So it retails for $22. It's a bouncy, breathable sleeping mask that soothes and perfects skin overnight. This pillow-proof formula acts as a radiance-boosting face mask formulated with soothing amino acid-rich watermelon extract. To use as a wash-off mask, apply a thick, generous layer to damp, clean skin. Rinse with lukewarm water after 10 minutes. So I'm going to go put this on my face, and I'll check back to you afterward. So I'm back. I put this on my face for 10 minutes and then washed it off. I really felt like it truly calmed my skin. I really did. Turbo, can you not? But yeah, I really feel like it calmed my skin. I feel like it definitely smells like a watermelon. Like, it smells like watermelon. But I did like that, so I'm going to keep on using that for sure. So next thing in the box is concealer. This is the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer. It's a lightweight gel concealer formulated to be hydrating, buildable, and provide minimum coverage with a natural, flawless finish. It's supposed to be long wearing and it retails for $25. So I'm going to do my foundation and then I'll come back and try on the concealer on camera. Okay, so I just applied my foundation. I'm wearing the L'Oreal 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation that I've been loving. Anyways, I'm going to take the Pretty Vulgar concealer and I'm going to apply it under the eyes. This shade. It's way too dark for me. You probably can't tell on camera, but oh my god. Oh my god. I do feel how it would be breathable. I'm going to take it on my nose as well. Let's see if it'll be a good contour for my nose. I'm gonna use it to cover up my breaking out right here. It probably is not covering as much as it should because I used a beauty blender sponge. Oh, well, not typical beauty, you know what I'm saying. But because I used a sponge, it probably would have covered this area more if I would have used a brush, I bet. And this will probably be good for me. It is lightweight, I will say. Blendable, all that stuff. I do like it. It's not sticky. Does it feel like, I mean, you probably just said it, you know. You gotta set most concealers. But I will think, I do think that it would be better in the summer when I'm tanner. Next in the box, I'm stupid. This is an eyeshadow palette. And I did my foundation. And I always do my eyes first. Ooh, that is so pretty. Sorry. That is so pretty. Wow, those shades are beautiful. Wow. Okay. So, this retails for $34.99. 12 colors. The remnants of beautiful sunrises and sunsets. The most excellent color payoff and easiest application. Okay. Never heard of Ace Beauty either. But I am so excited to try this. So I'm going to go do the rest of my makeup and I'll be back for the eyeshadow. So I've already primed my eyes with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. Now I'm going to go into the palette. I'm going to use the shade Lotus, this blush pink right here, first in my crease. It's a pretty color. Just blending that. Wow, I like that a lot. Okay. Now, I think I'm going towards a pinky vibe, I think is how I'm going to do it with this outfit right here. So I think I'm going to do Pink Moon. Sorry. I think I'm going to do Pink Mood for the pinky vibe. So this one right here. Towards the outer corners. Going to top that off because that was a lot. on the opposite side of the brush. I think, well, let me do, never mind. Okay, I'm going to do the shade Mai right here. My cats are playing in the background. That's pretty. Wow, that's really pretty. Okay, now I'm going to go in with a smaller little brush. This is the E17 from ColourPop. I'm going to go in with the shade Bahamas, this shade right here. And just stamp it in the outer corners. Very pretty. Okay, I really like that. Then, on a little angled brush, this is the E6 brush, I'm just going to take that pink, the pink moon shade, sorry, and go right on the outer corner of my lower lash line. And then dip into the Bahamas, the darker color, and put that on the end as well. I like that a lot, actually. That's really pretty. Okay, so that finishes the eyes. Okay, last thing in the box is this right here. This is the Petite and Pretty, which I've never heard of. And this retails for $16, but it's the Petite and Pretty Voluminizing Mascara, Instant Thickness and Definition. We're going to put on this. I don't like brushes like this, so we'll see how that goes. Not bad. I will say that this is a smaller size than most mascaras. I will say that it did make them volumized. I don't like the applicator, I will say. It's a little messy. As you can see, there's black. Besides that, I really like it. So that's everything in the box for January. I really did like this box. I did tally up everything and it equals $126 for the box, which is great because you only pay $25 for the box. Let me put some lipstick on so it looks like my makeup looks completed. So that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you have not already. Give this video a like and I will see you in my next video. Bye.